Eh bien, nous avions fait un pari. Ce pari était de réaliser en moins d'un an une usine. Nous en avons fait un autre, celui d'être une usine de dimension internationale.
In 1964, amidst a struggling automotive market, Paul Berliet inaugurated the Berliet factory in Bourg-en-Bresse. 3 buildings of 30,000 square meters each, spanning 100 hectares. It was the vision of a man, an industrialist, determined to revolutionize the transport and equipment market. Paul Berliet aimed to stand out from the competition and establish his brand internationally with original, reliable, and complementary vehicles. It was also an opportunity to create jobs and manufacture high-quality equipment. The relocation of his industry to the department is a true symbol of success for both the region and Berliet.
C'est la preuve que nous avons la possibilité de créer autour des métropoles d'équilibre des centres d'attraction, d'essaimage qui peuvent revivifier leur région.
For 60 years, Paul Berliet's vision has turned the Bourg-en-Bresse factory into a flagship of French industry.